In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use SF symbols in Figma. By the end, you will know the quickest, most reliable way to browse, find, and place Apple's S symbols right inside your Figma designs. Using the recommended SF Symbols Browser plugin, start by opening the Figma file where you want to add icons with your file open. Bring up the Quick Actions menu. On most keyboards, you can do this with a simple shortcut, or you can use the menu at the top of Figma. In Quick Actions, look for Plugins, then search for S Symbols Browser. This is the plugin we will use throughout the video because it offers a fast, focused way to find official Apple symbols without leaving your canvas. Run the plugin and you will see a searchable panel. Use everyday terms to find what you need. Try words like chevron, gear, trash, share, or plus. The names follow Apple's SF symbols naming, so you will often see variants, like filled, outlined, or directional options in the results. If you are designing for iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, or macOS, this is especially helpful because you can quickly match the icon style and semantic meaning Apple recommends. When you've found the right icon, either click it to insert or drag it directly onto your canvas. Dropping it into place this way helps you position it exactly where it needs to go. Whether that's inside a button next to a label or as part of a toolbar. The symbol will appear as a text layer that references Apple's S fonts, so it behaves predictably in Figma and aligns cleanly with your typographic system. A quick but important note here: to properly render SF symbols, make sure the SF Pro or SF Compact font is installed on your machine. If those fonts aren't available, symbols may show up as missing characters or not display as intended. A simple way to confirm is to select the inserted symbol in Figma and check the font name in the text properties. If the correct font is listed, you are good to go. And the icon should look crisp at any size that fits your layout. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.